Buen día, alegría. Soy Madrecita, and today is rock day. Now, I have a very complicated relationship with big rocks because when I have to work on these like Stemwall foundations, they're very, very heavy, and I'm a tiny little woman. So, it took us the morning to get all these beautiful bedrock stones that we've collected from our ranch and sourced from a couple of other folks who had some really great rocks and let us come pick them up. So we haven't paid for a single stone. All we had to do was really pay for gravel, and that was for our beautiful drainage. And then we'll have some for the stem wall as well to like fill in cracks and yeah. I can't wait to get started, which says a lot when it comes to the big rock.